In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tie rod / drag link adjusting sleeve, which is this right here. Now, just as a disclaimer, you will need an alignment after you replace this part. Now take your 15mm socket, remove both of these mounting nuts, hold the bolt on the other side with a 16mm. Okay, you don't have to remove it all the way, you just have to loosen it. There we go. That spins nice and easy. Perfect. Okay, and now you just spin it until it starts to separate. I'm going to use a bungee cord and tie the drag link up so that when the sleeve unthreads, it doesn't just fall straight down. Okay, that disconnected, and here's the old sleeve. Dispose of it properly, and let's get the new one installed. With a brush, or if you have the spray type, go ahead and put some anti-seize on the inside of these threads here on both sides. This will hopefully prevent the sleeve from seizing on in the future. Take the sleeve and thread it on. Remember, it's reverse thread, so you spin it backwards, and a little tip is to have the nuts facing towards the front of the vehicle. That'll make sure that you have the correct side, otherwise it won't really line up very well. Now at this point, line both of these up and start spinning the sleeve. You'll notice that it's going to want to catch onto the threads like it just did. Perfect. Put on the same amount of turns that it took to remove it. Let's tighten up the sleeve, hold the back bolt. The new sleeve has a 13mm bolt head instead of a 16, but the nut is still 15. Snug these up, and then we'll torque them to 41 foot-pounds. Make sure everything is nice and centered. And that's it right there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.